If you are not using AI, you are missing out. AI is all over the news and for good reason. It is making our lives easier and more efficient. The most popular one known right now is ChatGPT. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use these AI tools in your job search. Hi, I'm Insaaf Daniels, Human Capital Director. So firstly, let's get into what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can help you with a whole host of things like doing research, writing cover letters, updating your LinkedIn, and so much more. ChatGPT is open AI based on the GPT architecture. It is designed to generate human-like responses to natural language input. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of data and has the ability to understand the context and meaning of a conversation. It has been around for quite some time, but only late last year has it become more popular. Now that we know what ChatGPT is, let's talk about how it can help you in your job search. The first way it can help you is with CV optimization. You can copy and paste your CV into ChatGPT and it can help you identify areas of improvement and keywords that you can add to your CV to best optimize it for the job that you are applying for. The second way ChatGPT can help you is with your interview preparation. You can search for common interview questions for the role that you are applying for, and ChatGPT can even suggest ways to answer those questions effectively. The next way ChatGPT can help you is within your job search process. It can help you identify companies that you can apply for. It can also help you with networking strategies and ways to improve your application for the job that you are applying for. The fourth way that ChatGPT can help you is with company research. It can help you identify the mission, values, and any achievements that the company that you are interviewing or companies that you are interested in. Instead of doing multiple research, going on YouTube, Google, etc., ChatGPT can help you identify this information in one place. You can use ChatGPT on your mobile phone or on your laptop, so you really have information at your fingertips. Be sure to provide as much context as possible and be specific in the questions that you are asking the platform to make sure that it produces with the best results to help you in your job search. This was a quick introduction on how to use AI in your job search. If you would like for me to do a more in-depth video on the type of keywords and how I would go about using AI, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share this video with someone that might find this information helpful.